Hey y'all, the S.O.B is done. I'm going to show y'all the inside. Here we go. Can you see it? I can't tell what you can see. Yeah, look at my floor. Ain't it pretty? I love it. That was the first thing I picked out for the inside. I love all the colors. And then got paneling on the walls. I like that they're gray and tan. I think that's pretty. And you know, paneling has seams. And I figured, well, put this pretty little leaf molding on the seams. I could have did it gray, but everybody knows they're there, so I did more white to brighten it up. Don't you love my creamy white color? It's the same one we used on the outside. If you want a white for your house, look up Cottage White by, is it Bear? Bear Paint. It's a pretty creamy white. Look at my ceiling. Oh my goodness. And look at the beam. We distressed it and then stained it. And my lights. Ain't they pretty? I just love them. Took us a little while to figure out what to do with them triangles up there, but then we found that stuff and it looked pretty cool, so we put that up there. And then just trimmed everything out. And then I did my door and painted it. I wanted a green. I had this one picked out when we was going to do something different on the ceiling, so I said, well, I'm going to try it. It looks pretty. Might not be quite as dark as I was thinking, but we're going with it for now. I think it's pretty. Everything together looks neat. I just wanted to show y'all finished product. This is my blank slate to start decorating. Ain't it pretty? It took us 15 months, but Roy literally got run over by a truck on February 14th. So that's what slowed us down. He had to have surgery and get well, and so I think we did pretty good considering. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to do another one after I get it decorated for Christmas. I hope I got time. Well, we got 9 days. Maybe I'll make it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.